Hello students, now we'll solve the second question of exercise 1.3 and here we have to verify that the left hand side should be equal to the right hand side. So there are two ways of solving. The first is that you solve the left hand side, this complete equation, and you solve the right hand side, means multiplying this and multiplying this, and then you calculate whether left hand side is equal to the right hand side or not. Or the second way is I can tell you how to take common. So, if there is a number, supposing 2 multiplied with 4 plus 2 multiplied with 9, then 2 is in this term also and 2 is in this term also. So, we can take 2 as common and there we'll put the bracket. And in the bracket, we'll write 4 plus 9. Now, why 4 plus 9? Because we all know that the term outside the bracket, when multiplied inside, then gives us this. So, if 2 will be gone inside, then it will be multiplied with 4. We all know that it will give us 2 multiplied with 4 plus 2 multiplied with 9. But now we can add these two because they are inside the bracket. So, this can be written 2 and then inside the bracket 9 plus 4 is 13. And we all know 13 into 2 is 26. So taking common outside or taking common simply helps us when the number is big and when we are not allowed to do the calculations or we have to save our time. Supposingly, if we are having a number as 101 multiplied with 11 plus 101 multiplied with 9. Now, if I give you this, then by the method which you solve the question, you have to first multiply 101 with 11, then you have to multiply 101 with 9, and it will definitely take your 5 to 10 minutes. But if you know how to take common, then you can solve this easily. Now you all know that 101 is common here, 101 is common here, so we take 101 and inside the bracket there remain 11 plus 9. Because 101 when multiplied with 11 gives us this, plus sign remains as it is, and 101 when multiplied with 9 gives us this. Now we all know 11 plus 9 is 20, so I am writing it here. 101 in the bracket there will be 20, and it's so simple to multiply 2 with 101, that will be 202, and 10 will be copied as it is. So I hope you understood what is the means of taking common. Now in this question also, we'll solve it taking common. So on the left hand side there will remain 18 multiplied with 7, plus into minus is minus, so 7 minus 3 is 4, 18 into 4. Now on the right hand side, we can write this as 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. As I told you, 18 can be taken common. So we took 18 common. Inside the bracket remains 7 and here remains minus 3. So 7 plus minus 3. This is the same equation like this. So these two equations are equal. Means left hand side equals to right hand side. And we verified this. Thank you.